Hey everyone, in this video I'll be updating you guys with my skin 7 days after using this product. Yeah, so this is the RadianceLift brightening serum, and then combined with at home microneedling using this tool, the Banisher 2.0. So I will show my before and after pictures. Alright, so let's start. Alright, so this is how my skin look the day before using the product or doing the procedure. Alright, and this is how my skin looked the day after using the product and doing the microneedling procedure. Honestly, I was shocked. I didn't expect that I will get the instant glow and brightening effect the day after using the product or after the procedure. Yeah, I have not washed my face yet here. I just woke up, and then this is under natural light. Alright, and this is the other side. So I really don't know. It looks like I have a filter, but I'm just using my iPhone XX Max back camera, and I didn't use any filter. Maybe it's just because of the good lighting as well that day. But I really love my skin during this day because it looks nice. Like, it's so brighter, it's look radiant, and I just love my skin during this day. Alright, and this is my skin now. So this is day 7. So this was just taken today. So this is also under the natural light. Yeah, so if we'll compare it with my before picture, my skin now is really brightened a bit, and also some of my marks and hyperpigmentation is lightly brightened or lightened. But I really super love the day after results compared to my day 7. Alright, and this is how my skin look. This was taken inside my room just to have the same lighting with my before pictures, just to compare. Yeah, so I'm thinking maybe we can achieve the day after result if we'll be continuously using the product, because they said you can get a good result or the better result if you will use the product 6 to 12 times. So I hope RadianceLift will still send me their brightening serum for me to test it out and give you, or show you the results. Okay, so that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video, follow me, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!